In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use a slide compound miter saw. A slide compound miter saw performs almost exactly the same as a compound miter saw. The key difference is the sliding function. This allows the saw to cut wider pieces of material. It's a versatile tool that allows you to cut at angles, bevels and angled bevels. These compound cuts are useful when fitting skirting boards and crown moulding, or for making picture frames, for example. The dimensions of the cut you're able to make with this saw are dependent on the size of the blade. The bigger the blade, the bigger the cut. And the longer the slide, the wider the cut. The blade will bevel to the left or right, depending on the model of miter saw you own. Some bevel in both directions. And miter cuts are possible due to the rotation of the saw table. Combining a bevel cut with an angled cut creates a compound miter cut. A benefit of a slide compound miter saw is the ability to mount it on legs and to extend the reach of the table, which makes working with long pieces of material easier and safer. And finally, consider the type of cut you wish to make. More teeth on the saw blade means a slower, finer cut. Fewer teeth mean faster, rougher cuts.